Hey everybody, Stuart Macadam here, and welcome to today's video where we are going to show you how to access the Facebook Ads Manager from the Meta Business Suite.
Yes, yes, yes!
Now, by Ads Manager, I don't mean the Meta Business Suite Ads Manager. I mean the actual Facebook Ads Manager that you are looking at on the screen right now. In order to do that, make sure you're logged into the homepage of the Meta Business Suite. And from there, navigate over to the All Tools section, and we want to do a search filter for ads. And we can see that there is the Advertise section here. And the one you want to look for is the Ads Manager. The Ads section here, once again, is the Ads Manager in the Meta Business Suite. That's not the one you want. We want to go to Ads Manager. So click through on that, and that's going to then take you through to here, the Facebook Ads Manager, where you can set up, create, and manage your ads with more customizations and more editing power than in the Meta Business Suite Ads Manager. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.